Okay, I'm back. I'm going to make this really, really quick watermelon, watermelon, I don't know, salad treat, whatever you want to call it. It's not really a salad. Last time I made a watermelon salad and it was savory, on the savory side. And actually, this is going to be on the sweeter side. And basically what I did was I cubed up the watermelon. And I'm going to stick it in this bowl right here. And you know what? If you want to add some liqueur in there, I would. Hey, I'm not even going to take out the seeds. This is going to be extremely rustic. Oh. Such a delicious watermelon. If you want, my friend gave me some jicama. So, I'm just going to get some jicama, right? And then I'm going to slice this. Into thin little slices. And then I'm going to pour it over. Kind of goes with watermelon. Then I'm going to get some lime, honey. I'm just going to pour that over. I'm telling you, this is going to be, I mean, people will love this. It's yummy. And then you take your mint leaves, okay? And I'm going to add some more lemon on that. And you know, I'm not going to add any salt because I don't think you have to, but if you want to, you can. And there you have it. You can take this to a potluck. I'm telling you, I'm going to take one. And it's healthy. It's good for you. It's good for your heart, and it's quite healthy. It's delicious. All right, so I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and wait for my ribs to come, and I'm going to make a barbecue sauce, and that'll be, and then a garlic bread. That'll be the highlight of my whole. Anyways, okay.